So let me show you Pyroclastic real fast because it's dried so cool. I was a little worried that it was gonna dry dark, but actually it's just gorgeous. That berry mixed with the garnet, it's just amazing, and that vermilion just totally pops against the garnet, which is really cool. And we got a bunch of cells, and there's that blue violet that we put through the center. I'm really happy with this one. I love how this turned out. I love it. So this was Pyroclastic, and I will link that video up here for you. Hi guys, it's Mina. Welcome back to another beautiful day in the garden. Last week we did a pour called Stardust, which was a pearl pour, and in that video I showed you a couple of my early attempts, my first couple of tries where my paint was just way too thin, and then in Stardust we had thickened the paint up a little bit, and I think I had the consistency pretty good, except for the last color, which was thinner than everything else, but I don't think it was quite thin enough, and I think I needed a little bit more paint to make that work a little bit better. So we're gonna try that again today because I've just done a couple of pours and I have a little bit of paint left. That's about the right consistency for this, so we're gonna use a 12 by 16, thinking smarter this time, and taped the back and put my push pins in, and we're gonna try that pearl pour one more time with this set of colors. Let me show you what those are today. They're very pretty. Okay, our thinnest one, which is going to be the last color that we pour on top, is Amsterdam Blue Violet, permanent blue violet, and it is thin, just kind of melting right into the cup. So that's the Amsterdam Blue Violet. I also have DecoArt Extreme Sheen in Berry, slightly thicker than that Blue Violet, but still just kind of melting right away. Okay, we have Extreme Sheen Garnet, which is very pretty, and I don't have that much of, which kind of bums me out, but that's okay. So same thing, melting into a puddle. I also have Amsterdam Vermillion that has been mixed with a little bit of the 24 karat gold, which is a really pretty sparkly color. And I have 24 karat gold from DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics. And I have some white from DecoArt Americana Decor Satin Enamels mixed with a little bit of titanium white. Okay, so somebody in the comments had said something about a patchwork patchwork pearl pour. And I really liked that patchwork thing that I did, so we're gonna do that again. So I'm gonna start with some of the berry. And just pour a few small puddles. There in between, kind of overlapping a little bit. Put some of the vermilion in there. Why not be shocking, right? We want those cells to be colorful, popping up. Put a little bit of the white in. Use some of that berry. Use it all up. Okay, now comes the truly shocking part. Let's just move this around a little bit and make sure it's all incorporated in one big giant lovely puddle. Okay. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, ma'am. Jewish.
Okay. Here we go. I have a lot more paint this time. So. Let's tilt this around. Go off that corner, back. Let's this corner now. Come back. That side. Yeah, this definitely easier with enough paint. Okay, that's looking pretty good so far. Starting to get some cells. Violet on the edges. Take care of those later.
This side has some holes too.
Yeah. Right there. These our cells are starting to pop up, which is great. And being patient, just waiting. And we are going to torch it. Let's torch it now. It's so pretty on the edges. Dare I say it worked?
Dare.
These two little twin cells. Oh, those are so pretty. Now that one's beautiful. That vermilion with a ring of gold around it. Ooh, look at that one. Okay, let's torch. Okay, that's a good sign. That's looking really cool. Okay, we're just gonna let that sit there for a minute and develop. Maybe do a little time-lapsey thing. Wow, those are so pretty. They're getting big though. Oh, that's okay. I really like that vermilion against the blue violet. Shocking. These are really pretty. Garnet with some of the berry in there and then gold on top, and then these like morph into vermilion and white. That's like a flower almost. Very cool. Probably would have been better if I had painted the edges and sides to make sure that they were covered before we actually did this. That would have been intelligent. I'll probably go over this side with a little bit of the blue violet. To make sure it's not sheer. This side goes a little bit too. Adorable little cells over there. I'll cover them up, but yeah, this is cute. So we may not get much happening in the center, and that's actually okay with me. But this is working really, really pretty so far. Yay. Only thing I'm not crazy about is right there. It's very sheer. So like I said, doing this again, I would definitely paint the sides of the canvas, which I should have done. I just got excited about pouring. But these are so pretty. And these are beautiful. I like it. Cool. All right. We're gonna let the camera go for just another few minutes and let it continue to develop. And then I will show you guys this one when it's dry. See you in a few minutes. if I couldn't take the skewer and turn the cells into little flowers. Excuse me, yeah. I'm sorry, all complaints must be submitted in writing. I like it, Dean. Better. Right. I actually really like this. I think it's looking really, really pretty. And I'm excited to see what happens when it's dry. I will show you guys when it's dry. We'll see you in a second. Okay, so this is a couple of days later now, and it's totally dry. And I think our PearlPour definitely worked, because we definitely got a bunch of cells all around the perimeter. Just that one spot in the center that didn't get any reaction, but that's because the paint was thicker there. But this did turn out very, very pretty. It's a lot of the beautiful gold around there, which was thinner spread out and kind of made that halo effect. And you can see a little bit where I was embellishing them with the stick to sort of make them look floral. Kind of neat. I do like these colors a lot. That Vermillion is just really popping. And I like the berry, and I like the little bit of yellowy gold that's in there. So this one's pretty cool. I think I'm gonna call this one In the Garden. Reminds me of Gustav Klimt, I guess, with all the bling on there. I don't know if you guys can see the bling. It is full sun, so it's kind of hard for me to see what I'm actually shooting, but I'm trusting the process. Thank you all so much for being here with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. We will be playing with a couple more PearlPour techniques, but I think I figured out that this is not really my jam. But I'm glad I tried it, because I do like knowing how to do things, and you know, learning new techniques is fun, and there's still more to explore. So anyways, thank you guys so much for being here with me. I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful day. I'll see you real soon.